अच्छे मोमेंट्स हैं बट नहीं मेरे को मजा नहीं आ रहा। ऐसा ऐसा हुआ है किसी को? हाँ, I have gone through it myself. Everything is right in my life. I'm not joking. I'm really telling you, everything is right in my life. There's nothing wrong from family, from financial, to everything. But suddenly there was a dullness. कुछ ना बाहर जाने में मजा नहीं आ रहा है. It could be momentary for some hours, but I have experienced that. Has anybody else also experienced this over here? When I say, बस इतने से लोग, बाकी सब लोगों को कोई मोमेंट्री उसके सब सिम्टम्स में बताऊंगा तब सब हाथ ऊपर आ जाएंगे। आज यहाँ से कोई बचकर नहीं जाएगा जो बोलेगा नहीं मैं डिप्रेस कभी नहीं रहा। Nobody leave this hall. Everyone will go, yes, I have also witnessed depression and be proud to tell them. What happens? This is the flowchart of how depression comes in. External pressure, inability to balance and remain stable. External pressure. Now, Shreyas, suppose you come to know अंजलि को कोई उठा के लेकर चलेगा। He is laughing over there. वो राम था जो सीता को लेकर गए थे तो वो रो रहा था। वो पूछ रहा था, बर्ड्स को पूछ रहा था कि ओ मेरी मैया माँ सीता कहाँ है? कहाँ देखा ना? जो राखी के मोहम्मद को लेकर गए सीता, बंदरों को पूछा था, ये हंस रहा है। तो तेरे को एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर हो गया। अंजलि प्लीज। Inability to balance and remain stable. He is more stable now. But just see, imagine, then your internal thought process gets cluttered. You don't realize what you're doing. You don't realize what you're speaking. जब ऐसा होता है, जब वो imbalance हो जाता है ना, अपना पूरा thought process clutter हो जाता है। कभी-कभी अपन ऐसा कुछ बोल देते हैं जो अपने को लगता है मैंने कैसे बोल दिया इसे? Because you're not able to balance the situation in and out. The external pressure seeks it. होता है ऐसा? And then the worst part happens is you start losing hope in life. Mind dwells on the failures. Failures don't lead to depression. ये point note करो. Hopelessness leads to depression. Hopelessness is depression. So we'll now connect. Later on we'll connect failures and जो बोलते हैं निष्फलता एंड निराशा, ये दो अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट हैं। इसको कनेक्ट करने वाला एक ही डायमेंशन है जो अभी अपन आगे लेंगे। हाउ दीज गेट कनेक्टेड एंड हाउ दिस गोज इनटू डिप्रेशन। बट डू नॉट फील दैट इफ यू हैव फेल्ड यू विल गो इनटू डिप्रेशन। हाउ डज डिप्रेशन एक्चुअली स्टार्ट? सम ऑफ यू वुड हैव अंडरगॉन डिप्रेशन, some of you are undergoing it, don't realize that it's depression जो आज के बाद मालूम पड़ जाएगा आज के सेशन के बाद। So what happens actually? Sometimes you'll have those happy moments. Maybe we'll say on a scale of 10, you'll have 10 happy moments in a week. In all those 10 moments, maybe 1 or 2 moments you feel that way. So sometimes, as it increases, half the time you will feel that I remain dull. I'm not happy. When those moments are there to be happy, it could be birthdays, parties, events, celebrations, just normal things but giving you happiness. And later on, in all the moments, in the high level of depression, you will just not enjoy it anymore. So that is the higher level of depression. So sometimes what will happen is, जैसे वो आग है, even if you have the fires in California, how does it start with? Kaushik, how does the fire in California start?
Usually with something very small.
Very small. अपने घर में कितना बिल्डिंग अभी एड्रेस होटल में आग लगी थी, तो उसमें क्या होता है? पूरा एक साथ में आग लगी थी, something small would have started and it spreads. So what do we have to do? Extinguisher लेकर immediately attack करना चाहिए ना? So at the early stages of depression, catch it, stop it. Like the fire. Otherwise it will spread, it will spread, it will spread. 20%, 40%, 60%, no hope, suicide, bad death. Nothing will happen. So today, So many of us may be thinking, अभी मन में विचार चल रहा होगा कि why should I even bother to know about depression? I'm 40, 45, 50. मेरे लाइफ में आज तक ऐसा कोई डिप्रेसिंग मोमेंट भी नहीं आया है. But I'll give you 4 reasons why you should learn about depression. Oh, why understand depression? First, बचपन में अपन कितना बोलते ना आग में हाथ नहीं डालना चाहिए, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के पॉइंट पे नहीं डालना चाहिए. So do we need to actually experience it to feel the pain? Sometimes it's preventive also, it's better, right? कि अपने को अगर समझ में आ गया डिप्रेशन क्या है, अपने को उसके सिम्टम्स समझ में आ गए, अपने को उसके रेमेडीज समझ में आ गए, तो at early stages, suppose today we don't have it, how do you know after 1 month you may not have it? How do you know after 1 year you may not have it? आ सकता है, किसी को भी आ सकता है. We already see the reasons, anybody can get it. So once we know the symptoms and the remedies, so that is the reason we should know a lot about depression. Second, that's preventive. Like we have medical, preventive, right? Preventive care is there. Second is, जो आज काफी लोगों की गलतफहमियां दूर हो जाएगी. They don't even know these instances are mild depression. The symptoms that we'll share now soon, you'll realize that these are forms of mild depression. Then you'll realize that I may be undergoing mild depression at times. So it's time that I awaken myself and come out of it as fast as possible. So ignorance will come out today. Curative. अगर मैं बीमार हूँ, डिप्रेशन का मरीज हूँ, तो I should know the remedies to come out of it. I don't want to live with that problem. Do I? Yes, doctor sir. You should not live with it, right? You would want to go to a doctor, take the medicine and cure yourself. So we have curative remedies of coming out of depression. Fourth is, sometimes we don't have it, but someone who is close to us can. So once we know the symptoms, you will have empathy towards those people. कितने बार we get irritated, angry, upset with those people, but once you know that they are undergoing depression, maybe mild, medium or severe depression, आपका उसके प्रति दृष्टि बदल जाएगा. Many a times, elderly people, especially 75 plus, they have a lot of chances of going into depression. So your parents, your uncle, your aunt, anybody who you want to take care of, आप ये symptoms जब समझेंगे, तो आपका उनके प्रति lenient attitude हो जाएगा. एक अलग से प्यार निकलेगा उनके लिए. So it's very important to know the symptoms and of course the remedies, so you can also help those people. Everything is not for self, it's also for others. So are we all ready to understand more about depression? Say it. Is it required? Do you feel that it is required? Shreyans, you are young, do you really feel it's required? Why? Why not? There's nothing to lose, right? Okay, can someone tell me what is the difference between depression and sadness? Without seeing over here. Remove this right now. Very simple. Yes? Sadness is different. Yes, yes, yes.
Depression is longer duration.
The duration is yes.
Depression could be
Condition. Yes. All the answers, what they told was totally accurate. This is also accurate. What happens is, एक event, एक घटना घटती है, कुछ होता है. Suddenly you have sadness. When the sadness, like he said, the duration increases. When it becomes prolonged, it converts into depression. एक विचार आता है sadness, second विचार आता है sadness, third विचार आता है sadness. आगे बाद में क्या होता है? विचार निकल जाता है, but sadness नहीं जाता. That sadness continues and that becomes a part of life. And that becomes depression. So it's passive, sadness is active, sadness is at that moment. Like suppose you hear death or you had a financial loss. That time you may be crying, you may be feeling very bad from inside, that is sadness. But then जब वो impact पड़ता है अपने body के अंदर, अपने मन के अंदर, it goes on and on and on. कभी-कभी अपने को 20 साल के बाद भी वो events याद आते हैं. And वो event याद आते हैं, we feel depressed. Is actually that is not sadness, that is depression. Because sadness है उस event को 20 साल पहले जो घटना हुई थी. Why are you getting down now? So that has remained with you for 20 years. And that 20 years में तो इसको ऐसी बातें याद आती है ना, समझो उसका ये पहला सिम्टम बता. signs of depression. You are crying over it momentarily over the incident, not later, crying over it for a prolonged period. Sadness is a floating affair, this becomes a Jeevan Saathi. This will remain with you all through and through. कितने बार ऐसा भी होता है ना, everything is good, like especially now I'm taking it for sadhaks. So साधना में आगे बढ़ चुके हैं. They don't have a financial problem. They don't have a family issue. They don't have anything. What are the chances? What can happen? हाँ संगीता जी क्या हो सकता है? कितने बार अपना रिलेशन अपने साथ अपने खुद के साथ अपन समझ नहीं पाएंगे और उस चीज से अपन डिप्रेस. This is for a very high level. Everything is good on the outward front, but you will not be able to understand your relationship with yourself, and that will take you to depression. तो अपन उस चीज से बाहर निकल नहीं पाएंगे. No, I'm just saying it can happen. Even sadhaks को हो सकती है. It is because you may feel that there is no reason for him to have it. But कभी-कभी ऐसा भी आप देखोगे कभी-कभी कितने लोग के चेहरे पे उमंग नहीं होती. एक डलनेस रहता है. Sometimes I feel that I see संसार जो लोग एंजॉय कर रहे हैं और साधक को मैं देखता हूँ. तो साधक को देखता हूँ और मैं अपने उमंग नहीं देखता हूँ ना तो मेरे मन में विचार आता है. फिर ये मार्ग सही है कि ये मार्ग सही है. But धीरे-धीरे उसके failures, that's the correction where we will establish between failures and nirasha. How that gets corrected? If you keep it separate, उमंग हर समय बनी रहेगी. जिस दिन आपकी साधना में भी आपको failures नजर आएंगे, निराशा अंदर आने लगेगी. और वहाँ जब आपका फिर चेहरे पे, but he is like he is on the path. काफी मिलेंगे आपको. फिर अपन उनको ऐसा तो नहीं बोल सकते आपको you are not that. You will find a lot of them. So sometimes even an other person will get confused. Should I follow this path or should I this path? तो जो भी साधना करता है, ये ख्याल रखना कि आपकी उमंग हर समय रहनी चाहिए. भले आप फेल होंगे अपने साधना में, सब कुछ होगा, पर अपनी उमंग नहीं जानी चाहिए. जैसे ही उमंग हुई, आपका होप गया, आपका पूरे बॉडी लैंग्वेज आपके चेहरे को धीरे-धीरे झलकने लग जाएगा. सही है सुनील भाई, ऐसा होता है?
One example to share.
Yeah.
In the CA exams, it's very difficult to pass through in first attempt. I didn't pass through for first attempt. My professor told me that, Sunil, think only one thing. You think yourself as a failure. No. You say you are not a failure. You were a failure. The moment you put it in the past tense, then you have won the race. And you'll definitely pass.
सही. साधक को एक चीज हर समय अपने मन में रखना चाहिए. और साइड में जो ओल्ड सॉन्ग को एक गाना है ना, नन्हे मुन्ने बुच्चे तेरी क्या है? थोड़ा गा लो तो क्या है? नन्हे साधक के लिए मेरे को ख्याल है, इसको थोड़ा वर्डिंग चेंज कर दे. नन्हे मुन्ने साधक तेरी दृष्टि में क्या है? नन्हे मुन्ने साधक तेरी दृष्टि में क्या है? दृष्टि में है भगवान. Now sing this thing. Sing it. नन्हे मुन्ने साधक दृष्टि में क्या है? धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि. जब भगवान अपने साथ में है, जब गुरु हमारे साथ में है, तो हमारा उमंग हर समय हमारे साथ में बना है. देन आपने को डिप्रेशन, आजू बाजू में कभी टच नहीं. वन टाइप ऑफ डिप्रेशन कभी आपको टच नहीं कर पाएगा. तो हर समय भगवान का स्मरण, गुरु का स्मरण, ये हर समय क्या रहेगा? दिस इज वन, ये बोलते ना एक राज मंत्र है डिप्रेशन को पार रखने के लिए. लुक एट दिस गाय. एनीबॉडी कैन टेल मी अ बैकग्राउंड अबाउट दिस गाय?
Robbie Williams.
Robin Williams. What was he by profession? Comedian क्या होता है? Comedian actually. He was mainly a comedian. What does he do? What happened to him? Why did he commit suicide?
Depression.
Depression. जिसका काम था दूसरों को हंसाने का, उसने क्या लिखा? Smiles don't mean I'm okay. When I laugh, I don't mean I'm okay. When I say I'm okay, I don't mean I'm okay. Depression is a silent killer, so let's talk this thing at this stage in life. The point that I want to bring, the connection between failure and निराशा. क्या actually होता है? Failure होता है. आकाश तो क्या होता है? What does your mind start thinking at? You feel sad. Yes, everyone will feel sad when you have failures. Or you start looking for reasons for failure, then you lose confidence on yourself. Yes. Fear sets in. Yes, that fear that may, if I do it again I'll fail. You take a step back. Yes. Yes, Gauri, you want to say something?
When you lose hope that I'm not going to get back my ways out to re-establish myself.
Why do you lose hope?
I get scared that now there is no way out.
But what is that connection of being fail और मैंने कोई goal बनाया? जैसे आज अपने सबने goals बनाए and अपन अपने goals achieve नहीं कर पाते and we fail in those goals. Why do I get hopeless in that situation? Why do I feel hopeless? Why do I want to do it again and again and again, try again? ऐसा क्यों होता है? What is the connection between the two?
When I start believing that I'm a failure. Negative thinking.
That's a self-convict, like मैंने अपने आप पर बना दिया.
Negative thinking.
Negative thinking, that's beautiful, yes. One point to be noted, negative thinking, yes. Yes, that's the point I was looking at. मेरा चाहिए word, ego. It is ego that connects failures with hopelessness. There's one word that connects it. Because क्या होता है, when I fail, I feel sad or I feel bad. Mainly the reason is my ego. अगर मैं अपने ईगो के ऊपर मेहनत करूंगा and I bring it down to a very low level, believe me, I will not feel hopelessness. It's very simple. These are two different things happening. The connection is established because of ego. I fear that again I will fail, again it will look bad, again all these things. पूरा का पूरा वो cycle वापस repeat. That is also my ego. Is that fear is coming out of my ego? Yes.
Sandeep, wouldn't it be that there is nobody to really help you out because you feel that you have done everything repeatedly, but you're failing. I'm hopeless because I've done so much.
Yeah.
There is somebody who will tell you, guru or whatever, oh, you didn't do this. So isn't it if you don't have somebody available who can see on you and tell you that yes, this is the place where you probably failed.
The reason is always there. You need to find it. You cannot have failed without a reason.
You are not
Either you have to find it or somebody else will tell you.
You are not able to find it. It comes back to ego. I thought I did everything here.
Yeah, because I thought I did everything. That everything word is there because उसमें भी मेरा ego आ जाता है. आपने अगर सब कुछ किया होता तो नहीं होता. There is something missing. Later on when you go on to do that, suppose you go on to do it, that means you have not done everything in the first chapter. That's a step. This is like logic से establish करो.
one more time. I did not understand. I'm sorry.
Yeah, no, he was saying that you can repeat.
No, what I was trying to state was that I did everything I could have done.
He feels that he has done everything he could to achieve his goal, but he could not achieve it.
I went to my ego.
You have not done everything. You'll have to put that self-blame there that I have not done everything, let me try again. It's so simple. That's the blame worksheet teaches you. You self-blame and come out of it immediately and work on it again. Work on it productively rather than losing hope. उसी समय वो 2 मार्क निकल.
Thinking that I've done everything is not the way that.
No, that is not the way to think it. That is your ego because you yourself are making yourself supreme that I have done everything. You should think that there is something missing in my performance that I have not been able to achieve. Failure. Look at this next slide. Failure. Come on. No, it's not here now. No, Michael's not the slide will come on later. Right. So this is where I wanted to establish is not the reason for depression, losing hope is you try, you fail, you try, you fail. Hopelessness does not come here. You have not failed, your success is delayed. Your real failure is when you stop trying. That is your real failure. No, after prayer, like CA exams, कितने बार करेंगे तो अपन आएंगे. That does not mean that एक बार पेपर दिया फेल हो गए तो you're out, you can never be a CA. या कितने CA थे जो फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में नहीं बने होंगे. सही, you know, काफी होंगे. बहुत कम है जो फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में बने होंगे. coming to the point that where we need to know. First, external symptoms are generally what other people can see. Internal symptoms are slightly mild, which you yourself can know. External symptoms, when the internal symptoms manifest on the outside, जब वो बाहर आ जाते हैं, वो ये रूप देखते हैं, ये रूप में आते हैं. But something else is happening in your thought process, and internally something is happening which will see the internal symptoms. But this is the external what you can see from outside. कि ये सब चीजें दिख रही है तो mild forms of depression. These are all mild. I am not talking about mild forms of depression because they don't have the other forms here. Generally, I feel. But I am talking about mild forms of depression. First is no interest in daily routine goals, jobs or activities. ऐसा महसूस होता है आपको? See, feel free to discuss this thing. That you just ऐसा दीपावली में कभी-कभी अपने होता है ना, अपने को कभी-कभी अपन वही माला गिनते हैं, तो बस वो गिनने के लिए 108 घंटे हैं. There is no interest. You just don't feel like doing it. You are doing it also as a daily routine, but अपने को कोई interest नहीं. As an exercise, एक अपना एक नित्य क्रम करना है. तो संजय भाई कितना नित्य क्रम वो अपन तो बोल देंगे कैसे नहीं बोल देते और कैसे अपना फोन ही बोल देते हैं, फोन ही सुन लेते हैं. कितने बार ऐसा होता है? बहुत बार ऐसा होता है. So basically the phone is only playing it and the phone is only hearing it. So and you are not just interested. ऐसा होता है. Just try to understand that. ये मैंने नोटिस किया था 2-3 साल पहले. I had witnessed this in my dad. My dad would get up at the same time, go for a walk at the same time, eat almost the same breakfast every day, almost have the same routine every day. And he was very happy. वो हर एक्टिविटी बड़े उमंग से करता है. And that is where I realized that he is at a high level. He doesn't need to depend on anything to be happy. He can manufacture his own happiness. ये चीज मैंने ऐसा पकड़ा है. I feel like this is what I want to achieve in my life. I don't need to be dependent. Like he became my role model. Same to same life. उनको ना तो उनको कभी वो रेस्टोरेंट में खाना है, वो खुद से कभी बोलेंगे नहीं. खुद से तो एसी का स्विच भी ऑन नहीं करते. So he is very much interested and बड़ी उमंग के साथ अपनी डेली एक्टिविटीज करेंगे. अपन कितने बार जिम भी जाते हैं ऐसा थके मरे जाते हैं ना, बोला हुआ है मेरे लीडर ने मेरे को जाना पड़ेगा, मेरे को किक बॉक्स करना पड़ेगा, ऐसा सब. अरे वही हर एक्टिविटी. देखो इसका दो पहलू कि हर चीज आज के बाद अपने डेली चीज की अपन उमंग के साथ तो करना चाहता कि मैं घुसूं ही नहीं डिप्रेशन की तरफ. और अगर मैं ऐसा क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, मेरे को करना है तो मैं प्यार से क्यों नहीं. मेरे को बच्चों को अगर पढ़ाना है तो प्यार से क्यों नहीं पढ़ाऊँ. मेरे को हर अपने कुकिंग भी करना है तो बड़े उमंग के साथ कुकिंग क्यों नहीं करूँ अपनी बेटी के बेटे की. No more, see, this is all symptoms. No more interest in hobbies which earlier were of interest. कितने बार आप अपना एक पैटर्न विटनेस करोगे. पहले में भी मेरे को सिंगिंग में बहुत मजा आता था, मेरे को डांसिंग में बहुत मजा आता था, बट अभी आई एम गेटिंग बोर्ड विद ऑल दोस थिंग्स. यू हैव टू एनालाइज ये मेरा पैटर्न चेंज हो रहा है तो ये मेरा पैटर्न क्यों चेंज हो रहा है. Why am I getting dullness in the same activity जिसमें पहले में, of course sometimes you overgrow things with age. But sometimes you'll have to also find that some things are not overgrown with age. Some things are there with all your life. Then why is that pattern changing? If it is changing for a higher purpose in life, it is very good. But if you don't have that higher purpose in life defined and it is changing, think it could be a sign. Feeling of lethargy or tiredness, can't message because of all that clutter in the mind. They are saying clutter in the mind अपने body को कैसे थकाता है. Sometimes अपन clutter निकालते हैं तो a lot of people have felt that उनकी body के pain भी निकले with a lot of negativity coming out. People in our group also have witnessed that the pain in their body as well. So you're continuously feeling because a lot of negative thinking also leads to depression. That's another reason. So all that negative thinking also can bring in a lot of lethargy and tiredness. क्यों एक freshness महसूस होना चाहिए. वो नहीं होता है. थकेला है. सुबह उठेगा after 8 hours of sleep and you suddenly will feel very very tired. 8 hours, 9 hours of sleep and you will feel very very tired. People, anybody witnesses this? Anyone feels like this? होता है. So start thinking ऐसा क्यों? Difficulty in concentrating. We already discussed that. Social withdrawal. कभी कभी आपको ऐसा महसूस होगा मेरे को पार्टी में नहीं जाना है, मेरे को किसी से नहीं मिलना है, आई डोंट, जस्ट लीव मी अलोन, जस्ट लीव मी अलोन वाला फैक्टर भी आता है लाइफ में। हाँ, people so think that is also a minor symptom. Abnormal increase or decrease in appetite. थोड़ा सा सडनली उंगली आएगी, थोड़ा सा भी डिप्रेशन, होपलेसनेस, ज़्यादा सैडनेस होती है ना, जाकर किचन पर अटैक होता है, मिठाई पर अटैक होता है, ऐसा कितने लोगों का होता है? It could be that some people stop eating, it's an abnormal behavior, and some people start eating more. हाँ, right? Yeah. So it's an abnormal behavior. अच्छा, कितने लोग हैं जो हर बार ज़्यादा खाते हैं? That is okay. They are okay. They are not in depression. That's okay. No, that's not constant depression. That is this pattern. They overeat all the time. So there is no pattern changing over there. Result in abnormal weight gain or weight loss. Unlike अभी वो fat to fit में जो होगा वो कोई depression करता है. Please don't take it otherwise. So you can freely lose your weight, and we will not consider this point over there. It will be abnormal also. Ashish also lost 11 kilos in 1 month, so don't worry. ये होते रहे, it will not be double on you because it was done willingly. But sometimes even एक हट्टा-कट्टा body भी होगा ना, suddenly you feel very weak. एक weakness लगती है कितने बार. It's not that your body weight is gone, suddenly a lot of weakness you will feel in your body. These are all signs of mild depression. Have them. Irregular change in sleep pattern, either you will sleep long hours or you will sleep less. Your pattern will start changing. जो continuously कितने हैं ladies especially जो 10 घंटे सोती है, it's okay, no problem. There are some people जो 4 घंटे ही सोते हैं, they can live perfectly all right. It's okay, no problem at all. But when you have a varied pattern, and suppose you are sleeping every day 6 hours and suddenly you start sleeping 8 or 10 hours, start thinking on those lines that I may be, and still I am not happy or I am not feeling fresh, that I may be undergoing mild depression. Irregular and unpredictable spending habits. Some people they feel that when I am very sad I need to go to Dubai Mall and go to those branded shops and buy some purses and buy some branded things and I feel very happy exactly for 1 hour. ऐसा होता है कि नहीं होता है? कुछ इतना ज़्यादा शॉपिंग करके आ जाते हैं सडनली दे फील दे गेट किक आउट ऑफ इट. मोमेंटरी किक, 1 घंटा भी लास्ट नहीं करता है और वापस कभी नहीं चल जाएगा और हस्बैंड की वॉलेट खाली हो जाती है.
But I should go back to return those.
That is the husband in the depression that he'll stop saving all the money all the time. He'll become very very tight. Could be. अरे वो वाइफ अगर 5 dirham का भी खर्चा एक्स्ट्रा डालेगी ना, he'll get very very irritated. Suddenly he's spending, जबकि वो बहुत दिलेर होगा, but suddenly he'll get irritated very very fast. 5 dirham and he'll make such a big issue or fuss about it. For 5 dirhams and कोई at some other time वो आराम से 500,000 खर्च करे, कोई प्रॉब्लम कोई बात नहीं. But 5 dirham के लिए भी कभी-कभी वो irritate होगा. Why is this behavior pattern changing? So see, we have never thought that this could be all mild forms of depression. Obsessive compulsive behavior. Anybody thinking that ऐसा कभी कुछ हुआ है? क्या होता है? What is your compulsive behavior? और हाँ, especially me. मैं उसको एक काम दूंगा तो मेरे को 5 बार पूछेगी, संदीप भाई ये हो गया बरोबर है, ऐसे मेरे को सांस तो लेने दो. ऐसे आराम से मैंने उसको एक बार बोला यू लाइव विद सुषमा, वापस आ गया रिपोर्ट करके प्लीज आई सेड प्लीज लाइव विद सुषमा, आई एम इन लंदन ओवर देयर, प्लीज लाइव विद सुषमा. वापस अगले दिन रिपोर्ट शी डज अ वर्क परफेक्ट कर करा के शी इज नॉट रीडिंग बुक विद उसका एक वो दिस इज एक्चुअली अ पैटर्न ऑफ कंपल्सिव बिहेवियर. कितने लोग वॉशरूम में हाथ धोकर आते हैं साबुन से, दे वॉश देयर हैंड्स, दे विल कम आउट, दे सडनली फील मैंने बरोबर धोया नहीं, वापस जाते. दे फील दैट कि मेरा साबुन ऐसा शुद्ध साबुन आता है मार्केट में कि वो एक बार में निकलता है. सो इज दैट एंड यू हैव दैट बिग बैंग थियरी कौन देखता है? You have that, you know, that पतला सा वैसा कौन है? वो नॉक कैसे करता है? टक 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 टक, एक बार नॉक करना चाहिए। छोटा सा तो घर है उसका, स्टूडियो फ्लैट है, but he has a compulsive behavior. These are all patterns of compulsive behavior. Low confidence. One person was coming to me for a meeting. इंडिया से कोई अकाउंट से कोई डिफिकल्ट आ रहा था, उसने मेरे को ईमेल ठोक डाला कि आई एम कमिंग so and so date so and so time. No problem. I said welcome. I am available for the meeting at 11 o'clock in my office. Done. Generally you would expect that at 11 he would be there in the office. वो दुबई लैंड करता है, SMS भेजता है, I have landed in Dubai. Okay, welcome. Next day in the morning, I am in address hotel and I will be leaving in the next 20 minutes. I said no problem. Please come. I have sat in the car and I am en route to your office. I said जवाब ही नहीं दिया उसने. Then he is below my office. He knows Google Map, perfect European guy, perfect Google Map. I am below your building and I am coming up. उसको कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं कि मैं अपने ऑफिस में बैठा हूँ, पैसे लेने नहीं आ रहा है वो. But it's that you know you are checking again and again and again and again. ऐसा कितने बार वो भी होता है ना, बैग अपन पैक करते हैं, कितने बार अपने को अपनी वाइफ पे कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं, उसने टॉवल डाला है कि नहीं डाला है, उसने ये किया है, सब कुछ आइटम डाले कि नहीं डाले, सब कुछ. ऐसा नहीं, कौन हस्बैंड है जो बिना बैग चेक किए जाता है? वाइफ अगर पैक कर ली, फुल पैक, you not check. एक बार मेरी वाइफ ने ना, सुषमा has got this blue and black समझ में नहीं आता है, तो एक बार उसने ब्लैक जैकेट के साथ ब्लू पैंट डाल लिया था सूट का. उस दिन के बाद मैं चेक करने लगे, वरना मैं इतना चेक किए चले जाता. So this low confidence nature is there. This also is the symptom of migraine. Now we'll take a break. Only 10 minutes ahead.